Daughter, nature. She carries solace inside herself, like cut flowers feed on blood in a vase. Timeless and placeless, can't locate her origin, obnoxious form. Her bony, long fingers, bark-stripped branches on a dying winter tree. With hair that wants to remind herself of seaweed, slimy strands afloat a forgotten ocean. Her distant cry, a seismic sensation in my shipwrecked heart, cryptic sign of something lost. A flock of seagulls gathers around her, circle of ether-like birds, emitting an indigo glow. My mood follows them as the fizzy-topped waves hit the unswirled edge of the ocean shore.